In this video, I will show you how to use Tome AI to create stunning presentations using AI. So there's many different use cases, you can see some of them here. You can use it for sales, marketing, founders and startups, product, and creators and freelancers. Now they have a bunch of different templates you can use, or you can go from scratch, and it's really simple. So in this video, I'll just show you how you can use Tome and basically how you can use AI to create presentations. So first go to Tome.app and then click Get Started. From here, you can continue with Google or just enter email address or do a single sign-on. I'll just continue with Google. Now here, if it is your first time, you will need to create your profile, so enter your first and last name and what kind of work do you do. Pick any of these. Then tell them about your work, so what is your role, then how big is your company, then what is your company's website. Now here, create your workspace by just entering a workspace name right here and then click on next. Now you can pick a default theme, so pick a theme that makes your brand shine, and you can always change it later. So you can pick one of these templates or create a custom one. I will go with Creme right here. Now here you can upgrade to Tome Pro if you want, and what this will do is get you all of this, so you can remove Tome branding, you can get custom logo and fonts, you can do AI generation and design, etc. For now, I'll just click Start with Basic, which is the free plan. So now you can make your first tome. So what would you like to create? So they have a few examples here: fundraising pitch, investor update, or you can type something else. Now for this example, I will go with fundraising pitch and click Get Started. Now here you can start making your first presentation, so you can generate your fundraising pitch with AI. You can start with the fundraising pitch template. You can import a Google document where you have your existing work, and then you can turn it into a multi-page presentation, or you can start with a blank page. Now if you want to generate your fundraising pitch with AI, you will need to use Pro. So if you want to do that, click on this and then just upgrade to the Pro plan, which is $16 per month when billed annually and $20 per month when billed monthly. I'll just click on the template here, but they won't have a template for every single thing that you want to create. So here is the fundraising pitch, and this is the template. So this template consists of 30 pages, as you can see. So now it's really simple to edit this. Just click on any part that you want to edit, for example this text, and then I can write whatever I want. I can write anything I want here, enter the co-founder's name, so name 1, 2, 3, the contact email, and now here you have a placeholder sample image. If you want to replace this, just click in the right here on the add media, then click upload. Or you can also search or generate something. For example, I'll just upload this thumbnail, and now I want to remove this part. So right click on it and then click delete. So now you will see it like this, and you can move everything around really easily. You have these blocks that you can just swap out to wherever you want, and that way you can really easily edit everything. Now you can also add in new text right here. You can add a drawing, table, a chart. You can add more tiles, or you can set the theme to a different theme. So I chose the Creme theme, but you can pick any of these. For example, if I click on ocean, then now it will be changed to the ocean theme. Now personally, I like the lighter themes more, so I'll keep it to that. Now if you want to actually do this presentation after you're done with editing every single page, which again is really simple, and if you want to remove a page, then in the left here, just click on the specific page, for example page number 7, and then right click on it, and then click delete. Then it will be deleted, and you can also add pages by clicking on add page. Then you can pick one of these layouts, for example this, and then again you can go and edit anything you want right here. So then if you want to do the presentation, click on the play button right here, and then it will play, and you can just start at the beginning and then click on the to the right button on your keyboard, and then you can basically see it all right here, or you can just click on the screen, and you can also go back. And you can make it full screen after clicking on play by clicking on the view full screen button here, and then it will just be in full screen. So the actual presentation maker is super simple, and in order to use AI to create the presentations for you, you will need to pay. And you can see it again here when you click upgrade to Pro. For example, if you go with $20 per month, you can click Get Tome Pro. And then here you will need to enter your card details and then go to checkout in order to actually purchase this. So then once you have done that, it will basically be the same process, but the only difference is you want to click on generate with AI right here, and then you can enter a topic for the presentation. So whatever topic you want to create it about, and then AI will create it for you. And then the editing process is just the same as what I just showed you. However, when you go into templates here, they also have a bunch of different templates that you can just go and pick from. For example, the early stage seed pitch, the company OKR, the work portfolio. So they already have a bunch that you can just use for free. Now here in the brand section, you can actually add your brand colors and logo, but for this you will need to upgrade to the Pro plan. Now you can also invite your team members by clicking on invite teammates right here. And that will take you right here where you can just invite them by email as a member or as an admin. So Tome AI is really easy to use, and now you have a better understanding of how you can actually use it. If this Tome AI app tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.